Meet a furry character. This character is a beautiful and strong warrior hailing from a peaceful village. They are always ready to defend their home and its inhabitants from any threat, whether it's a pack of wild animals, a group of bandits, or a mysterious creature from another world. With their 4 materials and 24 texture maps, they can adapt to any environment. There are 27,554 vertices, 45,800 faces, and 45,800 triangles give them a realistic and detailed appearance, making them a standout character in any game in an RPG. They could be a powerful mage or a skilled fighter, using their abilities to protect their village and its inhabitants. In a strategy game, they could lead their troops to victory, using their tactical skills to outsmart their opponents. In a futuristic setting, they could be a rebel fighting against a tyrannical government, using their martial arts skills to take down their enemies. And no matter what genre of game they're in, they always bring their sense of justice and courage to the table. They're a beloved member of any team, and their presence is always welcome. Their epic animations and custom skins make them a versatile and engaging character for any game. With their low poly count and hand-drawn textures, they can be easily integrated into a variety of genres, from RPGs to futuristic settings. Their additional bones for the face, capes, and jewelry ear allow for custom animations, making them a unique and memorable character. This character's versatility and adaptability make them a valuable addition to any game development project.